Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to create multiple YouTube channels with only one account. So to do this, you just need to go and open your Google Chrome browser, not with the app, with the web browser. And after that, you just need and go and open like the YouTube app, the YouTube website. And after that, go and click on the settings of Google Chrome. And after that, go and click on request desktop site. And it will convert to the desktop site. And after that, you can zoom in a little bit, click on your picture on the top right of the screen. Of course, you should be like log in or be logged in with your account. And after that, go and click on settings. Here on settings, as you can see, you will see your picture on the middle of the page. Choose the option, add or manage your channels. And as you can see here, it will give you the list of the channels that you are already managing. If you want to create a new channel, just click on create a channel and you can start from here. You need, for example, for this, I need a little bit of verification. And after that, you will start the process of creating to put the name and the picture of the new channel. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.